Recently I received a comment on a video of mine where I went over the various jobs I've worked on thanks to knowing different CAD softwares. I just wanted to say thank you to Profil, as this also inspired a thought in me. Also, I'm almost 100% sure I've butchered your name, so apologies for that. But what he says is that he's looking to start a career in CAD, has done a beginner tutorial for Blender, and is now looking into Fusion 360. First off, congratulations for getting started, and the fact you started with Blender is good because the program is incredibly in depth. Although I wouldn't typically refer to it as a CAD software the same way I do other options. So the skills you're starting to build there will transfer to other 3D CAD softwares. He then goes on to say he's now targeting apprenticeships and entry-level roles. Brilliant. Of course, this is the best way to get your foot in the door, and the best way to learn is on the job from co-workers who have likely been doing it for years already. So to answer your question, yes, this is a good starting point, and I think Fusion 360 is a great software to begin learning, as it's a lot more comparable to others used in the industry. I also think you'll learn a lot more transferable skills using Fusion because it's laid out and uses similar tools to Inventor, SolidWorks, Solid Edge and all the rest. Inventor especially, since I like to think of Inventor as the big brother to Fusion because it has all the same features and more. The only downside being the hefty price tag associated with it. Not only that, it's now a yearly subscription rather than a one-off cost. Anyways, yes, Fusion is a great place to start as it's similar to Inventor except it's free and the skills you pick up are very transferable. For example, I started working in the engineering sector and used a lot of 3D softwares before transferring over to 2D CAD, where I do most of my architectural work these days. But when it came to create 3D renders of the properties I was drawing, I immediately had a knack for handling how the software SketchUp worked. I got good at this very quickly, purely because of my use of 3D softwares in the past. And this got me thinking, different softwares are used for different uses, such as Autodesk Revit purely used to model buildings, and that's why I want to really quickly recommend a few softwares based on the field of work you're looking to get into. So for the likes of mechanical design work and product design, you're likely wanting to go for Fusion, Inventor, SolidWorks or Solid Edge. Maybe you want to start CNC machining. Fusion is great for that and also 3D printing too. And I've also heard of a software called Mastercam for advanced CNC machining. If you want to create house plans and elevations for architectural works, then the likes of Revit, AutoCAD, Vectorworks and AutoCAD are the paths you'll want to explore. Or maybe it's just interior design you're looking at, and SketchUp is great for this. If you find that you're not 100% sure which sector of CAD you'd like to go into, but you know that you'd like to go into CAD as a whole, then I would recommend that you go for the 2D AutoCAD. If you learn AutoCAD properly, every other CAD package feels like a variation, not a restart. It seems to open up the most doors because it's most widely used and also provides a base knowledge of scales, line weights, layers, annotations and general drawing accuracy. It's a very manual CAD as not much is automated, but this will only help you learn faster. Once your understanding of AutoCAD is down, learning new softwares is much easier. I know this firsthand because this is where I started my CAD journey when I first did work experience at an architectural firm that designed the likes of hospitals. So to answer your question, I think AutoCAD is the best place to start learning the base skills you'll need in all the other CAD softwares. If you found this video helpful and are looking to learn yourself, then drop me a sub, it helps me and then I can help you.